Hello, guys. If your Pinterest pins are getting 0 clicks, 0 saves, and feel completely invisible, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the most common mistakes that are killing your reach and stopping Pinterest from actually showing your content. Most people don't even realize they're doing these wrong. Let's get into it. Issue number 1, your account looks inactive or inconsistent. Pinterest is a search platform, and it favors active creators who pin regularly. If you post a few pins and disappear for weeks, Pinterest stops prioritizing your content in search and home feeds. In order to fix this, pin consistently. Even a few fresh pins per day or several per week help signal activity. Stay active by saving content, updating boards, and showing Pinterest that your account is alive. Issue number 2, you're reposting the exact same pin over and over. Pinterest doesn't like duplicate content that looks identical. If you keep uploading the same image, title, and description repeatedly, distribution can drop. In order to fix this, create multiple fresh versions of the same idea. New images, new titles, new designs. Focus on fresh pins, not exact duplicates. Issue number 3, your titles and descriptions aren't searchable. Pinterest is basically a visual search engine. If your pins have vague captions like "so cute" or "must try," Pinterest has no idea who to show them to. In order to fix this, use clear, keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Think about what someone would actually type into the search bar. Example, instead of "healthy meal," say "high-protein 15-minute healthy dinner recipe." Issue number 4, your pin design doesn't stop the scroll. Pinterest is extremely visual. If your pin looks cluttered, low contrast, or hard to read on mobile, people will scroll past, and low engagement kills reach. In order to fix this, use vertical pins, clean layouts, bold readable text, and high-quality images. Make sure your design is easy to understand in less than 1 second. Issue number 5, you're using irrelevant or overly broad keywords. Random keywords confuse Pinterest about your niche. If Pinterest can't categorize your content clearly, it won't rank your pins in search results. In order to fix this, focus on specific niche keywords that match your exact content. Be clear and consistent about what your account is about. Issue number 6, you're not giving your pins time to grow. Pinterest is not like TikTok. Growth is slower but more long-term. Many people delete pins too early or assume they failed after a few days. In order to fix this, be patient. Pins can take weeks or even months to gain traction. Keep posting consistently and let your content build momentum over time. If your Pinterest pins are getting no reach, it's almost always one of these mistakes. Fix these, stay consistent, and your pins can start getting saves, clicks, and long-term traffic. If this helped you, like the video, follow for more Pinterest growth tips, and comment "Pinterest" if you want more strategies. See you in the next one.